Good noon, everyone. Today discuss about in a mass transfer operation 2, unit number 2 distillation part. હવે પ્રીવિયસ લેક્ચરમાં આપણે એઝોટ્રોપિક અને એક્સ્ટ્રેક્ટેડ ડિસ્ટિલેશન જોઈ ગયા હતા. તો આજે જોઈશું આપણે કમ્પેરિઝન ઓફ એઝોટ્રોપિક એન્ડ એક્સ્ટ્રેક્ટેડ ડિસ્ટિલેશન. ઓકે, ધ ડિફરન્શિએટ બિટવીન એઝોટ્રોપિક એન્ડ એક્સ્ટ્રેક્ટિવ ડિસ્ટિલેશન. ઓકે, ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ પાર્ટ્સ છે, 4 માર્કમાં આવી શકે છે. અને દેન આફ્ટર જોઈશું આપણે મોલિક્યુલર ડિસ્ટિલેશન્સ. ઓકે, તો સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ. ધીસ ઇઝ ધ ફર્સ્ટ પોઈન્ટ ઇન part 1, comparison of isotopic and extracted distillation part. Okay, first one, it is generally true that adding an extraneous the substance such as entrainer. હવે સિમ્પલી ફર્સ્ટ ફર્સ્ટ જોયું તો આપણે એઝોટોપિક ડિસ્ટિલેશન, તેમાં આપણે શું યુઝ કરીએ છીએ? સોલ્વન્ટ ના. એઝોટોપિકમાં એન્ટ્રેનર યુઝ કર્યું હતું આપણે, અને એક્સ્ટ્રેક્ટિવમાં આપણે સોલ્વન્ટ યુઝ કરીએ છીએ. બરાબર. હવે સિમ્પલી ધ પાર્ટ 1, ઇટ ઇઝ જનરલી ટ્રુ ધેટ એડિંગ એન એક્સ્ટ્રેનિયસ સબસ્ટન્સ such as an entrainer or a solvent of to a process in undesirable, since it is can never to be the completely part of the removed. Okay, and it is adds an unaccepted impurity to the product. Okay, શું કીધું છે? Unaccepted impurity to the product. And there are inevitable losses. Okay, the ordinary of the order 0.1% only, simply 0.1% order માં છે this one. Okay, so of the solvent circulation rate કેટલો છે હોવાનો? They may be large since solvent for feed ratio must be frequently be greater than 3 to 4, okay, to effectiveness only. And the inventory and source of the supply, there must be maintained solvent. Okay, and the recovery cost can be large હોઈ શકે એનો. And the new problem in a choice of materials. Okay, એ કેવું આપણે મટીરિયલ યુઝ કર્યું છે એના પર બી હોઈ શકે. And the construction are introduced. It is the follows these the processes can be considered only if despite there's the drawbacks, the resulting process is less costly than the conventional distillation. So this is the part for a comparison of isotopic versus extractive distillation. Okay, simply it is generally true that adding an extraneous substance such as a entrainer or a solvent to a process in undesirables, since it can never be completely removed, it adds an unaccepted impurity to the products. There are inevitable losses ordinary of the order of 1.1% of the solvent circulation rate હોઈ શકે એનો. And they may be large since solvent the feed ratio must frequently be greater than 3 to 4 to the be effectiveness. Okay, and inventory and the source of the supply the must be maintained. Okay, using a solvent recovery cost કેટલો હોઈ શકે એનો? To be large, some new problems એના હોઈ શકે. In choice of the materials of construction are introduced, it follows that this process can be considered only despite these drawbacks, and the resulting process is less costly in the conventional distillation part. Okay, simply this is the differentiate between the first paragraph only over. Then the second one, the extractive distillation is what is the extractive distillation is generally considered to be more desirable than azeotropic distillation, since the first one point there is a greater choice of added component because the process does not depend upon the accident to azeotrope formation. શું કીધું છે? Extractive distillation is generally considered to be the more desirable than azeotropic distillation, since the first one, this one, there is a greater choice is of added and a component because of the process does not depend upon the accident of azeotrope. The formation into generally smaller quantities of the solvent must be volatilized. Okay, however the later advantages can disappear if the volatilized impurity is a minor constituent. Okay, any simple extracted distillations, the generally smaller quantities of the solvent, okay, generally smaller quantities of the solvent. They must be volatilized, however the later advantages can be disappeared in the volatilized impurity is a minor constitute, okay, of the feed to be azeotropic composition is the favorable low in a solvent compositions. Okay, they thus the dehydrations of ethanol, so from 85.6 mole percentage હોય શકે ethanol water ના જે આપણે ગ્રાફિકલી સિસ્ટમમાં આગળ જોઈ ગયા હતા ને this one. ઓકે, આ ગ્રાફિકલી સિસ્ટમમાં આપણે જોઈ ગયા હતા ઓલરેડી, એને કેટલા મોલ હોઈ શકે એ પ્રમાણે. ઓકે, એઝોટ્રોપિક અને એક્સ્ટ્રેક્ટિવ ડિસ્ટિલેશન આપણે ડિસ્કશન પાર્ટ કર્યું હતું આ પ્રમાણે. ઓકે, હવે મેઇન કમ્પેરિઝનમાં જે પોઈન્ટ આવે છે તે જોવાનો છે આપણે. સેકન્ડ પોઈન્ટ, generally smaller quantities of a solvent must be volatilized, okay, and however the later advantages can disappear in the volatilized impurity in the minor constitute of the feed, and azeotrope composition is favorable. Okay, low in a solvent composition, thus in the dehydration of ethanol and the 85.6 mole percentage ethanol water solution. Okay, કેટલું છે 85.6 85.6, okay, and the ethanol water solution, this one, and the azeotropic in the water with N-pentane as an entrainer is a more economical than using ethylene glycol as an extracted distillation part of the solvent. And the number 3, the reverse might be true for a more dilute alcohol feed. કેટલું છે more dilute alcohol feed આપણે use કરીએ છીએ એના માટે આપણે એકદમ dilute solutions. Okay, and then the part of this molecular distillation. Okay, this is the form of the distillation, this is a part of the distillation part. Okay, very low pressure conducted industrially at the absolute pressure of the any ordered of the 0.3 to 3 Newton per meter square up to 0.03 to 0.03 mmHg, millimeter per mercury. The suitable for the heat sensitive substance described in the above. Okay, simply the molecular distillation is a form of the distillation a very low pressure conducted માં થાય છે, and industrially at absolute pressure of the order of a 0.3 to 3 Newton per meter square, यानी कि 0.03 to 0.03 millimeter mercury કહેવાય એને ન્યૂટન પર મીટરની જગ્યા પર. Okay, and suitable for the heat sensitive substance described in the above part. The rate of which any evaporations take place from the liquid surface is given by the Langmuir equations. Okay, આ એક ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ છે Langmuir equations. આયરુઆ Langmuir equations યાદ રાખજો. તો કયું આવશે Na is equal to 1006 Pa કારણ કે પાર્શિયલ પ્રેશર in bracket 1 by 2 pi Ma r dash into T raised to 0.5, this one raised to 2.5 only. Which one is the Langmuir equation? The rate at which evaporation take place from a liquid surface. Okay, liquid surface છે એના બેસિસ પર જોઈશું આપણે. And then liquid surface માટે જોઈશું as given by the Langmuir equations, or Na is equal to 1006 in the Pa in a bracket part 1 by 2 pi Ma r dash into T raised to 0.5, where r dash is the gas constant. Okay, where r dash is the gas constant at ordinary pressure at the net rate of evaporations is however very much less than these because the evaporated the molecules are reflected back to the liquid after collisions occurring in the vapor. Okay, by reducing the absolute pressure to values used in the molecule distillation, the mean free path of the molecules become very large basis પર હોઈ શકે of the order of 1 centimeter only. Okay, and if the condensing the surface is placed at a distance from the vaporizing liquid surface not exceeding few centimeter, very few molecules will return to the liquid, and the rate of the evaporation part. ઓકે, evaporation પાર્ટમાં જોઈશું આપણે. જે ઇક્વેશન્સ આના પર જોઈશું, તો ઇક્વેશન્સ 9.213. ઓકે, જે આપણે ફર્સ્ટ ઇક્વેશન જોઈએ ને, લેંગમુર ઇક્વેશન્સ આયરુવા. ઓકે, the net rate evaporation of each substance of a binary mixture will be approaches that are given equations above Langmuir equation. The vapor composition of this composition of the distillate will now be different from that given by ordinary equilibrium. The vaporization and the ratio of the constituent in dilute will be approaches which one? The flux Na by Nb is equal to moles of A by moles of B is equal to the partial pressure P bar by Ma raised to 0.5 and the Pb by Mb raised to 0.5. If this ratio is to be the maintained, however the surface of the liquid must be rapidly renewed, since otherwise the ratio of the constituent in the surface will be the change as evaporation process. The vigorous agitations of the boiling represented. Okay, simply a figure જો તમે મોલિક્યુલર ની છે, સ્કેમેટિક સેક્શન પડાવ્યો છે સેન્ટ્રીફ્યુગલ મોલિક્યુલર સ્ટીલનો પાર્ટનો જે હિકમેન છે. હવે ટુ વેક્યુમ પમ્પ્સ ટાઈપ જો થાય છે, condenser, residue, feed, vacuum pumps, distillate out, cooling water, gutter કેવી રીતે વર્ક કરે છે એ પ્રમાણે. ઓકે, ઇલેક્ટ્રિક રેડિયન્ટ હોટર છે. ઓકે, ધ થર્મલ ઇન્સ્યુલેશન પાર્ટ, બિયરિંગ, રોટર શાફ્ટ, પુલી યુઝ કર્યું છે. ઓકે, સિમ્પલી this is the figure on a 9.55 figure discussion part. ઓકે, તે આપણે ડિસ્કશન પાર્ટ અહીંયાથી કરીશું સ્ટાર્ટ. This one. Okay, if the ratio is to be maintained, however the surface of the liquid must be rapidly renewed, since otherwise the ratio of constituent change as evaporation process. Agitations of boiling present during the ordinary distillation part, absence under conditions of molecular distillation part, and the most device the liquid is caused to flow in a thin film over a solid surface, thus continuously renewing the surface but the same time maintaining low hold up of liquid. Figure 9.55 is shown. The used industrially for accomplished a molecular distillation part. That is, the gas liquid will be distilled is introduced the continuously at the bottom of the inner surface of the rotor, and the rotating conical surface will be the rotary may be large as 1.5 meter in a diameter આપ્યો છે કે કઈ વસ્તુનો છે તે. Large is a 1.5 meter in a diameter. Top end may be revolve at a speed of 400 to 500 rotor per minute. Okay, a thin layer of liquid to be the distilled, the 0.05 to 0.1 millimeter thick, and then spreads over the inner surface and travels rapidly to the upper periphery under the actions of the centrifugal force. The heat is supplied to the liquid through the rotor by radiant electrical heaters, and the vaporized material is condensed upon the water cooled lower shape in the condenser part. Okay, this is a simply discussion part for a molecular distillation. This one. Okay, જે આપણે ફિગરમાં જોઈએ પ્રમાણે. ઓકે, ડાયામીટર કેટલો કેટલો આપ્યો છે? રોટરી છે 1.5 મીટરની. સોલ્વન્ટ્સની સ્પીડ કેટલી છે? 400 to 500 rotor per minute પર છે. Okay, this is the main is condensed upon to the water cooled lower shaft in the condenser. This is the maintained the temperature. The condenser for water cooled sufficiently low to prevent the evaporation of the reflection of the vaporized molecules. The residue liquid is caught in the collection gutter or top of the error rotor part now. Okay, the distress is drained the collection throughout the condenser. Each product is pumped from the steel body, which is evacuated the low pressure necessary molecular distillation, and the time of this રેસિડન્સ જે આ ડેટા વાઇઝ આપ્યો છે આપણને. such a device capable of the handling 5 into 10 to minus 5 to 25 into 10 to 5 meters cube. Okay, gallery per hour છે. Okay, the falling film still are constructed to the vertical concentrated tubes. The inner tube is heated internally. The liquid to be the distillate flows down to the inner the tube film. The outer tube is the condenser for annular space under vacuum. Some thin arrangement involving the whipping of the rotating table blade માટે. ઓકે, જે કુલિંગ બોટલ છે એના માટે આપ્યું છે. ઓકે, this is the part for a molecular distillation part. ડેટા એનો આટલો છે. રેસિડન્સ ઓફ this substance in the steel may be low as a 1 second or less. Such a device is capable of handling in the 5 into 10 to minus 5 to 25 into 10 to minus 5 meter cube per second, यानी कि 50 to 250 calorie per hour. Okay, a simply falling film are constructed of the two vertical concentrating tube. The inner tube is heated internally. For arrangement involve continuous whipping of the film in the rotating blade. Okay, the chapter is completely over. Thank you so much.